Google is going crazy with the Pixel 7 Pro, and you guys might find some of the great deals while pre-ordering the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Yes, don't get me wrong, you guys will be surprised to see how Google is going to beat the competitors with the deals of Pixel 7 Pro. According to Roland, Pixel 7 Pro pre-orders gift in some countries include the Pixel Watch, which is insane, since the Pixel Watch will cost you around $349. And the Pixel 7 pre-order gifts will get the new Pixel Buds Pro. But things didn't stop here. If you pre-ordered from Target, you might get $200 gift on the Pixel 7 Pro and $100 gift on the Pixel 7. Both Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 7 user guide is also out, and it seems like some of the previous rumors regarding the camera update were wrong about the Pixel 7. As listed in the user guide, Pixel 7 will come with the 8MP selfie shooter instead of 11MP. But Pixel 7 Pro will come with the 11MP selfie shooter. The main shooter on both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro is 50MP, but on the user guide, the 50MP on the Pixel 7 Pro mentioned as 50MP octa instead of 50MP wide camera, which means we are going to get something interesting in the main 50MP on the Pixel 7 Pro. Also, as per retailer information, Pixel 7 Pro can deliver the macro shots, and that is done with the new 48MP telephoto sensor, which is capable of 5x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom instead of 20x on the Pixel 6 Pro. Video lovers should also be happy since Google is going to add movie motion blur option in the Pixel 7 Pro, so you can get a portrait mode on the Pixel 7 Pro video as well. The downside of the upcoming Pixel 7 and 7 Pro is its new storage options and same batteries just like the last year. Pixel 7 and 7 Pro comes with the only two storage options, 128GB and 256GB, and the battery on the Pixel 7 is slightly bigger than the last year, 4700 mAh instead of 4614 mAh. But bigger brother Pixel 7 Pro will get the same 5000 mAh battery, and as per sources and retailer information, Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will come with a 30W fast charger. Let's hope Google will do something about this, since the last time they claimed 30W, but we were getting 21W and 23W for the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. The only hope for battery of the Pixel 7 Pro is its new power efficient processor, Google's own SoC, Tensor Gen 2 chipset, which is a Titan security chipset to secure your personal information. According to the sources, Tensor Gen 2 chipset is not a powerful processor when it comes to raw performance, but instead Google is improving a machine learning by 35% and improving a GPU by 20% to improve the camera and gaming performance of the Pixel 7 Pro, while keeping the same cores from the last year. Google is going out with the Pixel devices on October 6 and pre-orders will start from the same day, and phones will hit the market on October 13. But if you're interested in an unboxing video of the Pixel 7 Pro now, then you can check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.